Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. So in today's video I want to show you guys how I created this smoky eye makeup look. So the inspiration behind this look was the Black Widow movie with Scarlett Johansson, and obviously in the movie she does not have a smoky eye, she does not wear a red lip, she does have red hair however, which I don't have, but this was my kind of feel of what I wanted to create as a Black Widow. So if you guys want to see how I created this smoky eye, then please keep watching. So the palette I'm dipping into is the Morphe 35N palette, and the first shade I'm dipping into is this light brown, almost skin toned eyeshadow color, and I'm going to be placing that slightly above the crease, blending that from the inner corner to the outer corner. And as always, I've already set my eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 05 and set that with my Yardley translucent powder. We don't have to be too precise with this color, as we're still going to be placing a lot of other shades on top of this color. So just to get that nice transition, place this down and blend everything out. So the next shade I'm dipping into is this light medium brown, and I'm going to be placing that in my natural crease, and just by tilting my head backwards, my natural crease will be a lot higher. So placing it in my natural crease and then blending that out. So the next shade I'm dipping into is this reddish brown shade. And I'm using a tapered blending brush as I want this color to be a little bit more precise in my crease. So once again, tilting my head back so I can find the natural crease and then blending that out from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I'm going in with these black shade, and I'm going to be again placing that into the crease slightly lower than the reddish brown shade, and again blending that out from the inner corner to the outer corner, and this is also going to go onto the entire lid. So guys, I think the key to this whole look is just making sure that you blend everything so that it's seamless, so that it looks like these colors are melting into each other. So next I'm going in with my Palladio gel liner, and I'm going to create a wing. To layer my wing, I'm also going to go over it with some liquid liner, and I'm using the Yardley Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Just remember when using liquid eyeliner to keep your eyes open and your head slightly tilted back so that the liquid eyeliner doesn't transfer to the rest of your lid until it has dried. Just to create some more smokiness, I kind of want to slightly buff out the eyeliner. So I'm just going to go in with some black eyeshadow and just buff it just here on the outer part. I'm just dipping into that reddish brown shade, and right on the tip of the wing I'm just going to place a little bit of that and buff that out. So now I'm just quickly going to finish off the rest of my face, apply some false lashes, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and now we can finish off the rest of the eyes. So the bottom of the lash line I'm doing in the reverse. I'm starting with the darker shade first. So with that black eyeshadow, I'm going to be adding that all along the lower lash line, as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm using a tiny blending brush. Making sure to connect both the inner corner as well as the outer corner to the top lash line. Next shade I'm dipping into is that reddish brown shade, and we're just going to smudge out that black line. Guys, and we just have to be really careful when we're doing the under eyes now, because we've done our face. We just need to watch out for fallout. The reddish brown shade I'm also kind of bringing up here onto the side where the wing is. Now I'm dipping back into that medium brown shade, and I'm going to blend that all along the lower lash line just below that reddish brown shade. Alright, so seeing that all these colors I've used are matte shades, I want to stick with the matte, and as you guys can see, I've already added some lipstick, which is a glossy red. So I want to stick with the matte shades. So for the brow bone, I'm not going to add a sparkly shade. I'm just going to add a simple white shade, and that is going to just kind of lift the brow bone. So back in that palette, we have this, it's kind of like an off-white shade, and I'm going to be using that color to place onto the brow bone. And I'm keeping that shade just on the high point of the brow bone. Last step, and we just have to coat our bottom lashes, and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic False Lash Mascara. Guys, and because this is such a dark look, I just want to open up the eyes a little bit, because we haven't put any highlighter in the inner corner or anything like that, and it's very smoky and dark, but I feel like I just want to make my eyes appear a little bit bigger with all these dark shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a white eyeliner in the waterline. And just by doing that, you can already see the difference that the white eyeliner has made to the look. So guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and please leave me a comment down below of what other looks you guys would like to see. And until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.